Welcome to our comparison of two powerful graphics cards from MSI, the GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super and the RTX 5070 Gaming Trio OC. In this video, we will explore their specifications, performance, and features to help you make an informed decision. Let's dive into the details and see how these two cards stack up against each other. The MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super utilizes NVIDIA's Ada Lovelace architecture, which is designed for high-performance gaming and advanced graphics capabilities. In contrast, the MSI RTX 5070 features the newer Blackwell architecture, which offers improved efficiency and performance for next-generation gaming. Both architectures provide unique advantages, but the choice may depend on your specific gaming needs and preferences. When it comes to memory, the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super boasts a substantial 16 GB of GDDR6X memory, allowing it to handle high-resolution textures and demanding games with ease. On the other hand, the MSI RTX 5070 comes with 12 GB of GDDR7 memory, which, while still impressive, may not match the capacity of its competitor. This difference in memory could impact performance in memory-intensive applications and games. Pricing is another critical factor to consider. The MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super is priced at $839, reflecting its high-end specifications and performance capabilities. In contrast, the MSI RTX 5070 is more budget-friendly at $729, making it an attractive option for gamers looking for next-generation performance without breaking the bank. Ultimately, your budget will play a significant role in your decision. In conclusion, the MSI GeForce RTX 4070 Ti Super offers superior memory capacity and performance, making it an excellent choice for serious gamers and content creators. However, the MSI RTX 5070 provides a compelling alternative for those seeking next-generation technology at a more accessible price. Whichever you choose, both cards are designed to deliver exceptional gaming experiences. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and tech